Hi everyone, it's Connor here from Durham Hearing Specialists. I hope you're doing well and welcome to another microsuction video. We've got quite an interesting case here. This is, as you can see, an extremely hairy ear canal, and hairy ear canals are very difficult to suction at the best of times for two reasons. One is the vision usually isn't that great because there's lots of hair in the way. However, in this particular case it's not too bad. But secondly, when you have a lot of hair in the ear canal, it usually entangles and entwines with the wax and adheres to the canal walls, and it's just very, very difficult and challenging to remove. And in this particular case, we're not dealing primarily with wax. What we're actually dealing with is just very dense clumps of hair held together with a little bit of wax. And you'll see when I remove this first mass from the canal, I'll lay it out on the tissue and you'll see that actually this sort of clump is actually just parallel strands of hair held together, almost adhered together with a little bit of wax. So going in for a second time, this next mass is pretty much more of the same. Now the reason that this isn't too difficult in this particular case is because this patient had applied olive oil to this ear very liberally, and it had just sort of softened everything up and lubricated the canals. So it wasn't too much of a challenge. And as you can see, I drag this piece out, it actually breaks in two. But again, you can see the hair that's dangling from the suction probe. And again, same thing there. So going in for a third time, the situation is now significantly improved, and you'll see a little gap in the top right there. So the suggestion of an eardrum back there. And now it's just a matter of clearing up these remaining chunks and pieces of debris, which just drag through the suction probe there. And final few pieces. And what is revealed is a rather red ear canal, and then the eardrum back there, which is the nice pale, shiny grey disc of skin.